Welcome back. Go Goa Gollywood's production Konkani feature film Home Sweet Home launched its publicity campaign van. This van will cover all corners of Goa for the film's publicity. It was flagged off by ESG's Vice Chairman Damu Naik. The film will be released on 26 December.
Scamma खूप झाली आणि अशी जर scamma चालू दिली जाल्यार गोंय एक दीस काबार.
The crew of the film has appealed Goans not to miss the film.
हे फिल्म जेन्ना 26 डिसेंबर रिलीज जातले तेदो थिएटरांनी वचोन चोवपाक पूण जेन्ना आमी पडद्यासा वयताय तेन्ना जायत वर्सांनी परत आमी आमगे गोंय येताय तेन्ना आमगे गोंयांत आमगे घराचें जावं प्रॉपर्टीचें कितें जालो आसता तें बेस बरें हे चित्रायन दाखयलां.
हे फिल्म आसा पळय तातूंत प्रत्येक जो कॅरेक्टर आसा प्रत्येक भितरलो इश्यू आसा तो प्रत्येक गोंयकारान केन्ना तरी भोगला आनी इतले बरे तरेन फिल्म केलां आनी हालींच आमी ताजो ट्रेलर लॉन्च केला.
हे फिल्म कितले शोज करत सांगू नजो कारण ह्या फिल्माचे रिव्यूज बरे आयल्या ट्रेलर पळोवन लोकांनी इतलो उत्साह दाखयला लोक सामके एक्सायटेड आसात.
ESG's Vice Chairman Damu Naik, the film actor, assures that the film will get all the necessary assistance from ESG and the government.
सरकाराच्या वतीच्यान म्हणजे ESGच्या वतीन ही स्कीम फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आमचो योग्य हें लागलो फुडें व्हरता आनी आयचे खिणाक तांकां शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करता.
The movie will be released on 26 December and will be screened across the state. Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Atletico de Kolkata seemed to benefit from a lucky penalty kick as they scored a 1-all draw against FC Goa in the ISL and qualified for the semi-finals. FC Goa were looking good for a victory, but a debatable penalty call from the referee and a red card for Bruno Pinheiro helped Kolkata to salvage a draw. This result meant Goa finished second in the table and played third-place Kolkata in a two-leg semi-finals. League toppers Chennai FC meet Kerala Blasters in the other semi-final.
A much-changed lineup with marquee player Robert Pires back as the captain explained Zico's thinking of keeping most of his first 11 fresh for the semi-finals. However, Atletico de Kolkata could not afford to do any experiment as they needed at least a draw to book their semi-final place. Kolkata were doing all the attacking from the start, but they were silenced when FC Goa's Edgar Marcelino scored this stunning goal.
Gets blocked, gets set up by Pires, skips inside. When he gets blocked, I'm thinking no. But now, he unleashes a rocket. Watch this. The opportunity is only fractional. His first touch takes him outside of his feet. The second touch is the strike. And this is what he thinks of it. Oh, yeah.
Kolkata were severely under pressure as they chased the game while their survival was under threat as long as they failed to score. Controversial forward Fikru made a meal of minimal contact from defender Bruno Pinheiro and the referee pointed to the spot while Bruno was sent off.
The man fouled was Fikru. Fikru takes the penalty kick. And Fikru scores. There's the equaliser. There are the somersaults.
FC Goa remained second in the ISL table, 1 point behind Chennai FC and will take on third placed Atletico de Kolkata in the semi-finals. Chennai will take on Kerala Blasters. Both semi-finals will be played on home and away basis. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.